If you're a fairly typical business, then you're probably relying on email, Microsoft Office, an accounting system and a customer database, all sitting on a server in your office. That server can be difficult to maintain, especially if you also have to manage access for remote or traveling employees. And by the time you add backup, antivirus and ongoing maintenance, along with upfront equipment purchases, it can get very expensive. It generally works well, but IT can be the black box that no one wants to own or understand. So if something like email goes down a few times, no one can easily fix it, which is certain to get your staff fired up. And if your server crashes, you may find out the hard way that your backups weren't as comprehensive or reliable as you thought. When new staff come on board, it can be a real ordeal to set up a new PC, buy the software, load it, and create the email account. And on top of that, over time, everyone can end up on a different version of software. You may have had various IT providers come and go, but they all seem to have different recommendations on how things should be set up. And the result is usually the purchase of some new piece of equipment or another piece of software. In the end, your IT budget can become a moving target, whereas most businesses want some predictability over costs. C2C can change all of that with Office 365 and a unique service offering that really does deliver better productivity 365 days a year. Office 365 is a full suite of all the Microsoft applications you're used to and more. But now it's provided through the cloud and as a monthly subscription service. You don't have to maintain servers or hardware or manage licensing and software updates. It's reliable, always up to date, and your backup worries will be a thing of the past. If you have concerns about the cloud, C2C can show you how secure and robust it really is. The best part is you know every month what the cost will be. And with local 24/7 support provided by C2C, you can finally have the certainty that it will all work. C2C manages the whole process of moving to the cloud from start to finish, working to move all your data over the weekend so that business is ready to go on Monday morning. And guaranteeing no downtime and no lost email. It just works. C2C and Office 365. See what the cloud can do for your business.